everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So I posted a video a few days back which was related to nude lipstick. So I swatched almost 19 lipsticks I guess on lighter to medium skin tone as well as on deeper skin tone. So I did a glam tanned makeup for the deeper part and most of you loved it. I loved it too. So as most of you want me to do a makeup tutorial on that glam tanned look, so today I'm going to recreate that makeup look. Maybe I'll add some elements here and there and I'll let you know. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, priming first. So for my primer, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild primer. I usually never skip primer, mostly because it acts like a barrier between my makeup and my skin. So apply it generously over your face and neck. So I'm going to take this 330 at the back of my hand. So I'm also going to add this beautiful bronze LA Girl Pro Conceal HD concealer. This is a very dark contour liquid concealer, whatever you call it. Look at this gorgeous color. I really love it. Neck is a couple of shades darker or deeper than my face skin tone, so I will not apply much foundation there. I'm dotting the foundation all over my face and a little bit on my neck, and then I'm going to blend it. I am using a sponge to blend because I think that gives more coverage than the brush. Maybe I'll make a video soon on beauty tools. Also note that I haven't used any corrector beneath because the foundation is darker than my skin tone, so it will automatically hide any pigment. Yeah, I really love that. So yeah, so that will automatically hide any pigmentation that I have, so no point in adding layers. But if you have pigmentation and you are using a foundation similar to your skin tone, then you may want to use a brightening corrector or concealer because that will prevent your makeup turning grey or ashy. Next, I'm applying some liquid bronzer onto the natural contours of my face. So applying some liquid bronzer close to my hairline and just below my cheekbones and of course jawline. As you can see, I'm using very little because I'm not good with liquid bronzer and I tend to mess that up very easily. So I like to go little by little, building the coverage as needed. I don't use liquid bronzer frequently but wanted to use it today as I want that really nice shaded look. Also went ahead and contoured my nose. Just applied some liquid bronzer onto the sides of the bridge of my nose and blended it using the tip of blender. Next, I'm going to apply some banana shade powder right under where I contoured. This will clean up the area and give an illusion of more defined cheekbones and contour. I will let it bake for some time and I will do rest of my makeup before I brush it off. I also lightly brushed some of banana powder to set my foundation. Then I'm going to use this Goof Proof brow pencil by Benefit to do my brows. I brush my brow hair upwards and then fill them using light strokes. I like my brows natural. You can fill them intensely if you like. Once I'm happy with the brows, I am going to run a spoolie brush to blend my brow product. We are not going for a natural look today, so we will go for a glam eye makeup look. And as a start, I'm priming my lids. First, I'm applying this NYX eyeshadow base. So an eye primer primarily does two things. One, it evens out your lid skin tone and helps the eyeshadow colors to pop. And second, it helps eyeshadow to stay long lasting and creaseless. You can also use concealer if you don't have one. So I did a bronzy look in my previous video and you all loved it. So I will do that same look but will try to add some more smokiness to it. I love smoky eyes. So I'm applying this Maybelline Kohl as a thick eyeliner, and Kohl is a little better because you can smudge it easily, and gel liners are tough to smudge and you need to be quick while working with gel liners, so I prefer Kohl whenever I'm doing smoky eyes kind of a thing. So I'm smudging my Kohl with the help of a tiny brush using upward motions. You don't need to be perfect while doing this. Next, I'm taking this matte light brown eyeshadow on eyeshadow brush and I'm blending this smudged Kohl with the eyeshadow. This will create a nice transition from black to brown. I'm also bringing that brown shadow upwards and outwards towards the outer corner of my eye. Then I'm applying some black eyeshadow on top of the black Kohl to intensify it. and applying whatever is left on the brush into the crease to give an illusion of some kind of depth there. I'm using the black eyeshadow from the same palette. Moving on to the metallics, I'm using this beautiful metallic brown and applying it from center to outer corner of my eye. I think this metallic shadow works better when I use my fingers, and I am gently smudging it. Then I'm using this bronzy gold metallic shadow and applying it from the center part of my lid towards the inner corner, but leaving some area near the inner corner because I want to apply pale gold shadow there. That will create a nice soft transition from light gold to dark metallic brown, and it looks really beautiful in real life. I'm applying this pale gold eyeshadow onto my eyes in a corner and blending it with the other metallic shade. I'm using a brush for better precision. I'm darkening the kohl liner wherever I think it is required. I'm also applying it onto my lower waterline and going a little thick. I really love bold kohl eyes on deep skin tones. I personally think they look the best with heavy kohl eyes, very exotic. Then I am blending the kohl under my lower waterline using a dark brown matte eyeshadow. I'm using a Wet n Wild concealer, which is a little lighter than the shade of foundation that I have used. This will highlight the areas where I need light and no shadows, like under my eyes, bridge of my nose, chin, and temple. I'm then blending it using the sponge. I'm then setting my under eye area and rest of my face using the same Makeup Revolution banana powder. I also removed extra powder from the area which was left to bake. I then curled my lashes, applied some mascara, and for added glam I added some falsies. Then I applied some bronzer to deepen my contours and applied this beautiful plum blush onto my cheeks. I think it looks really beautiful on deeper tones. For my highlighter, I'm using Makeup Revolution Dragon Hearts highlighter. I love this bright yellowish golden highlighter, and it looks amazing on tanned skin tones. On my lips, I'm applying this lip crayon by Sugar Cosmetics. It's a very beautiful nude brown shade, and to deepen it a little bit, I applied Brown Ton Abbey again by Sugar Cosmetics on top of it, and then finish off my makeup with some MAC Fix Plus. So I got some really cute earrings from Forever 21 and I'm going to add it to enhance my look. Look at these earrings, they're so gorgeous. So let me see how this looks on me. Ooh. So yeah, this is the finished look. I really love this look, and these earrings go so well with deep skin tone makeup, especially with this cold toned highlighter. So I really hope this video was useful for you, and do let me know in the comment section below if you want to see more makeup tutorial for deep skin tones. I would love to record these videos for you. So I guess that's it. I should go now, and I will leave all the product details in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. And I guess that's it. Also, please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel so that we can stay connected, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, bye.